Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Ashok Chavan, Honorable Minister, Shri Anil Deshmukh, Shri Nanak Rupani, dignitaries present here on the dais, off the dais, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I wish to thank the Priyadarshini Academy and its Global Awards Advisory Committee, chaired by Dr. Mashelkar, for this honor that has been done to me on the occasion of Academy's 26th anniversary. I am particularly touched by the fact that in spite of my inability to be personally present on the day of awards earlier, due to my preoccupation with a standing commitment that I used to have till recently around this time of the year, I am fortunate enough to receive this prestigious award today. I am fortunate enough to receive this, it is indeed a privilege to be among the group of distinguished achievers who are being recognized by these global awards. May I also extend my compliments and congratulations to all of them on this occasion. I belong to the domain of nuclear energy. I sincerely believe that we are fast approaching a cliff edge where there are large unfulfilled aspirations of a large segment of humanity, and at the same time, the earth resources, particularly those related to energy and water, appear to have become very scarce. The matter has become more complex since the carrying capacity of the earth for waste burden seems to have reached a point that threatens our very existence. We thus need to change the business as usual approach and seek solutions that are appropriate to further sustainable development. I believe that nuclear energy is an important part of the solutions that are required to be put in place in this regard. I would like to use this occasion to thank all my colleagues for their efforts in this important mission of self-reliant development of nuclear energy in India. This award truly belongs to all of them. I truly believe that in developing nuclear energy to meet our national requirements, we are also preparing ourselves to be able to contribute to addressing the global problem related to sustainable energy resources as well as mitigating the issues related to the climate change. Let me thank all of you once again for this honor. Thank you.